Hi guys, I'm gonna try to do a quick video on the roll function, the roll record function and the knob record function. But first I need to tell you something about the roll function, both the regular roll function and the roll record function. Something I just found out a couple of moments ago because, well, actually it's something that a situation that really doesn't happen a lot, but normally you will be first creating a pattern and then you want to add some rolls on top of it. So this is, I think, the most common procedure. But actually I found out that when you haven't been into record mode before, so like you haven't been creating a pattern first, but you just wanted to play back a pattern and you want to apply a roll, well, it won't work. So I don't know, for whichever reason, if it's a bug or something that I've missed, or the reasoning behind it. If it's not a bug, I don't know. But anyway, you can't apply a roll without having been into record mode before first. So I'm gonna show you, like I explained in the other video that I did, how to apply a roll. Normally you just go into a certain pattern. I'm gonna choose something. Yeah, I'm gonna choose something else. No, something else. Okay. So if I want to apply a roll on this, normally the normal procedure would be to press and hold the roll button, choose one of the four options. I'm gonna choose the first one, let go of the roll key, and then I'm gonna you should the roll function is enabled when the light is green. So if it's not green, you should just press it again and it should turn green, but like you see, it doesn't turn green. And this happens both in the regular roll function, like I am in now, as well as in the record roll function. So I don't know what the reasoning behind it is, but well, it just doesn't work. So first we have to go into record mode, press and hold the record key, choose a pattern, choose an instrument, sorry. I'm gonna choose bass drum 1, up, okay, bass drum 1 is selected. And now I'm gonna go out of record mode. I can go back into pattern mode and select a pattern, doesn't matter. I'm gonna play it back. And if I now press the roll key again just once, the light does light up green. So now I can apply some rolls. See? So the rolls work like they should. So it's a very strange thing. I don't know if it's a bug, if it's meant to be this way, but anyway, the roll functions, both of them, won't work unless you've been into record mode first. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to enable the knob record and the roll record functions, how to turn them on, and for that we need to be in step mode or in jam mode. So if you're in manual mode, you need to change back to step mode or jam mode, but I'm gonna assume that you are in step mode because step mode is the default setting. So if you changed it from step mode to manual mode, or from jam mode to manual mode, or whatever, you should know also how to change it back to step or jam mode. So I'm in step mode. If you're not, well, jam mode is okay too, and if you're in manual mode, you have to go back to step mode or jam mode for it to work. Anyway, so we're gonna enable the record functions for the knob record and roll record, and for that we're gonna press and hold the shift key. All the lights are blinking, and I'm gonna press and select the roll record function, which is here under this button. I'm gonna press it once, and now it's blinking green, but it has to be blinking red because green is off and red is on. So again, and now it's on. Let go of the shift key and you can see that the select key is blinking. You need to press this to confirm the setting. Okay, so now roll record is selected, is activated, and I need to do the same for knob record. Press and hold the shift key. Knob record is here, so once it's green, it needs to be red. Again, now it's red. Let go of the shift key and confirm by pressing select. Okay, so now both roll record and knob record are activated. Now I'm going to try to create a pattern only by using roll record, and I'm not going to go into regular record mode to record or to set some steps. I'm just going to try and do everything with roll record. So now that it's activated, I'm going to go to an empty pattern first. So shift set C, because in set C are all my empty ones, and you can see here these ones are not empty and this one is. So I'm going to press and select this. Okay, play back. Nothing is happening because it's an empty slot. Now I'm gonna turn on the roll record. First, press and hold it, just like in the regular record, in the regular roll function. The 4 lights are blinking. I'm gonna choose one. I'm gonna choose the third option because that's the one that has the first in every 4 steps. And now I still have to turn it on like earlier with the regular roll function. The light or the LED has to be green, so I'm gonna press it again. Doesn't work, just like in the regular roll function, doesn't work. Okay, so first we're gonna go into record mode. Just select that, select bass drum 1, whatever. Go out of it again. I'm gonna check if I'm still in an empty pattern, which should be the case because I'm not hearing anything. Still select this one. Okay, again. Now if I press the roll button, it should light up green. Okay, that's what I wanted. And I'm gonna put the bass drum 1 in each of these 4 steps. Okay, so now I let it go and you can hear that it's looping. I hope it's loud enough. Okay, so now it's looping. It's recorded these 4 steps and it's playing them back repeatedly because the roll record function has been enabled. I'm going to do the same thing for another instrument. I'm going to add, but I'm going to choose 1 in 2. This one. Okay, the light is still green, so I'm gonna use this for the maracas. Okay, I let it go, and now it just keeps looping because it's recorded 1 in 2 steps for the maracas. I'm gonna add some snare drums as well. Press and hold, and I'm gonna choose the 4th option. Okay, so that's basically, if I wanted to, I can store the pattern like this. But first I'm gonna add some. Yeah, I'm gonna add some other stuff. I'm gonna use this one, and I'm gonna do some rim shots. Okay, so now I've got a pattern that's completely built just by using the roll record. Okay, but now I also want to do some knob record on top of that. So how does the knob record works? Well, now I'm gonna press. Well, firstly, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lower the tempo, because for knob record you have to be quick enough, and it's easier if you lower the tempo first. So this is what I'm gonna do first. I'm gonna play it back. Okay, that's a good tempo. So instead of using the roll key, we need to press and hold the sound key. Press and hold it, and now we have to choose which instrument we want to have the knob effects applied on. So I'm gonna see which one. I'm gonna choose bass drum 1. Bass drum 1. Okay. Just like in the roll key, the roll function, the light has to be green. So now I've selected bass drum 1, but I still have to activate the knob record. So for that I have to press the sound key again just once. Whoops, yeah, normally it should work. Yeah, okay. It has to be playing back first, and now if I press it, it will start blinking green as long as the bar is playing back. And when the bar that was playing back when you pressed it has ended and a new bar starts, at that moment the light will stop blinking and will just turn green permanently. And that means while the light is green permanently, it will be for one bar for 16 steps. And at this time, this is the time in which you can tweak the knobs to record the knobs that you're turning. Once that bar has finished, you can't turn the knobs anymore, because if you do that, the record will have failed. So you have to begin in time and stop in time. So I'm gonna press it just after a new bar has started, and you will see the light will be blinking green. And when that bar has ended, it will be green permanently for one bar. And that's the bar in which you have the time to record your knob function. Okay, so I'm gonna press it now. It's blinking green. And now, this is the bar in which I could have recorded it. But okay, I just I failed to record something, so I'm gonna do it again. And I'm gonna see. I'm gonna use the rim shot maybe, or no, not the rim shot. Yeah, I'm gonna choose the rim shot anyway. It also works for the data knob, but when you record it for the data knob, the whatever you put into the data knob recording, it will be for each of these how should I say, each of these functions that the data knob has on for all of these instruments. Anyway, I'm gonna choose the rim shot, so it's blinking, and now no, it didn't do anything. I know I didn't do anything because I chose the bass drum earlier and I had to choose the rim shot, of course. So press and hold, choose rim shot, and blinking. Okay. I hope you can hear it. So I'm gonna try and do something with the bass drum as well. Press and hold, select bass drum 1, and I'm gonna press it again. It's blinking. Okay. I don't know if you can hear it, so I'm gonna try something else. So that's it. I hope it's clear and you can yeah, you understand how it works. So now I'm gonna store it. Press and hold, store pattern. No. Yeah, okay. Store it here and select. And if I go into patterns, I'm gonna choose another one. And now I'm gonna choose this one. You can see that it has recorded both the roll and knob record yeah, inputs. So that's basically how it works. I hope it's clear. So again, make sure that for the roll record you've been into record mode first, or it won't work. Make sure that you're in step mode or in jam mode. Make sure that you have activated knob and roll record first. Press and hold, select, press the button, make sure that it's red. Make sure that you confirmed by pressing select. When you've done that, make sure that for the roll record that you go into record mode first, then out of record mode, and it will work, or else it won't work. For the knob record, press and hold the sound button, choose which instrument you want to apply the knob record on. So press and hold, choose the instrument. I don't know which ones I've used in this. Anyway, you choose the instrument, let it go, and then press it again. Well, first going to press play, then press the sound button. It will blink as long as you've been in the middle of a looping pattern. As soon as it as a new bar starts, the light will stop blinking and start lighting up green permanently, and this is the time that you can move the knobs of the instrument you selected, of course, because if you selected a different instrument and you want to, if you selected the bass drum 1 and you activate the knob record function and you start tweaking buttons of the clap or cowbell, well, yeah, nothing is going to happen because you selected bass drum 1. So you have to select the correct instrument. Make sure that the pattern is playing back. Press the sound button, and as soon as the light is green permanently, this is the time frame in which you can record the knob function. As soon as the bar ends, the light will go out, and this means you can't record anything anymore. Just to show you, maybe I'm sorry, it's getting, my video is turning into a longer video than my other videos, but anyway, I'm gonna make I'm gonna do another pattern just to show you, because I don't know if I've been very clear. I'm gonna do something, a new one, and I'm gonna play this back. Okay, and I'm gonna do it with the let's see, the snare drum. Okay, so that's the roll, and I'm gonna go into the knob record function. Also so press and hold sound, select snare drum because that's the drum that's playing back. Okay, and now I can press the sound button once, it will start blinking, and then it will go permanently green. So that should be clear. So only start tweaking the knobs when the light is green permanently, and when it reaches the end of the bar, that means you have to stop. Let's say that you missed something and you want to do it again. It's okay, you can just do it constantly again and again. So let's say I'm not happy with this, so that's basically it. Okay, have fun.